Excuse me, are you American?
No, I'm not. I'm Canadian.
What's your name?
My name is Emma
What is your surname?
Anderson.
Do you speak English?
A little, but not very well.
How are you?
I'm fine, thanks.
How do you do?
Pleased to meet you.
What's up?
Nothing much.
How was your day?
Really good.
Are you happy today?
Yes, I am.
Where do you come from?
I come from Vancouver.
Where are you from?
I'm from Toronto.
How old are you?
I'm 27 years old.
When and where were you born?
I was born in 1996 in Calgary.
What do you do?
I'm a designer.
What's your profession?
I work in finance.
What's your job?
I'm an accountant.
Do you work from home?
No, I work at an office.
Where do you live?
I live just outside the city.
What's your address?
23 Main Street, Apt 5.
What's your phone number?
My number is 555389.
How long have you been here?
I have been here for 3 weeks.
Can I ask you a few personal questions?
Certainly.
Do you have a boyfriend?
No, I'm single right now.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
Do you have any children?
Not yet, but maybe someday.
What is your hobby?
I really enjoy photography.
Anything else?
No, that's all.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I'm starving.
When is your birthday?
January 1st.
How was the trip?
It was so fun.
Where is the closest train station?
Over there.
Where is the closest restaurant?
There is one over there.